Culinary medicine. Food is the medicine. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we'll dive into the fascinating world of culinary medicine. We'll explore the history, origin, health and learn more about the principles and examples of this unique and delicious approach to health. So let's get started. The history of culinary medicine. To understand culinary medicine, we need to start with its history. The concept of food as medicine has been around for centuries. In fact, ancient Greek philosopher Hippocrates once said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." This idea laid the foundation for what we now call culinary medicine. The ancient Greeks believed that certain foods had healing properties, and this belief was passed down through the ages. As we moved into the Middle Ages and Renaissance, the concept of food's medicinal properties continued to evolve. Culinary medicine blends the wisdom of these traditions with modern science to promote wellness and prevent and manage chronic diseases through the balance of whole food-based diet. The origin of culinary medicine. So where did culinary medicine originate? Well, it finds its roots in the various traditional diets from around the world, each emphasizing the connection between food and health. Let's explore some examples. The Mediterranean diet. Rich in olive oil, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease with other chronic illnesses. The Japanese diet, which is fresh seafood, vegetables, and green tea. It has contributed to Japan's status as one of the healthiest nations in the world. Ayurvedic diet. This diet originates from India, which emphasizes the balance of the body's energies, or doshas, through specific foods and spices. Understanding culinary medicine. Now that we know where culinary medicine comes from, let's delve into what it's all about. At its core, culinary medicine is the art of combining food and science to promote health. Culinary medicine focuses on nutrient-dense, whole foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's about embracing the idea that a well-balanced diet can be as effective, if not more so, than traditional medicines in preventing and managing health conditions. Culinary medicine doesn't just stop at ingredients, it's also about preparation methods. Cooking techniques such as grilling, steaming, and squartening can preserve the nutritional value of food while making it more appealing. Let's explore some real-world examples of culinary medicine in action. These are dishes that are not only delicious but also have health benefits. First, we have a vibrant quinoa and roasted vegetable salad, rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Next up, a flavorful heart-healthy grilled salmon with a citrus glaze packed with omega-3 fatty acids. And for dessert, a guilt-free dark chocolate avocado mousse, which is not only decadent but also full of healthy fats. Remember, these are just a few examples and the possibilities in culinary medicine are endless. The key is to enjoy the process of preparing and savoring nourishing, health and promoting foods. Culinary medicine and specific health conditions. Now let's take a closer look at how culinary medicine can be beneficial for people dealing with specific types of illnesses. This approach can be tailored to address the unique dietary needs of individuals facing various health challenges. For those managing diabetes, culinary medicine can be a game changer by focusing on whole, unprocessed foods and controlling portion sizes. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications. Culinary medicine also has a role to play in heart health. A diet rich in fiber, lean proteins, and heart-healthy fats can lower cholesterol, reducing blood pressure and support overall cardiovascular wellness. For individuals with autoimmune disorders, such as rheumatoid arthritis or Crohn's disease, a diet that includes anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, turmeric, and leafy greens can help reduce symptoms and improve quality of life. Those facing cancer may find relief in culinary medicine too. Nutrient-dense foods can help support the body during treatments and recovery, improving energy levels and overall well-being. And for people with food allergies or intolerance, culinary medicine can be a lifeline. By crafting meals with allergen-free ingredients, it provides a way to enjoy a diverse and delicious diet safely. The role of culinary medicine in mental health. It's essential to mention that culinary medicine isn't solely about physical health. It has a significant impact on mental health as well. Research suggests that a diet rich in whole foods can reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. The act of cooking can also be therapeutic for individuals dealing with stress and mental health challenges. It fosters a sense of accomplishment and provides a creative outlet. The long-term benefits of culinary medicine. Perhaps one of the most profound aspects of culinary medicine is its focus on long-term health. It's not just a short-term fix. It's a sustainable way of eating that can help individuals thrive over lifetime. By establishing healthy eating habits, even in the face of chronic illnesses, individuals can significantly improve their quality of life, manage symptoms effectively, and reduce the need for medications. The role of culinary medicine in modern healthcare. Culinary medicine is not just a trendy buzzword, it's gaining momentum in modern healthcare. Physicians and dietitians are recognizing its potential in preventing and managing various conditions. Today, you can find culinary medicine programs in some medical schools, where future healthcare professionals learn to prescribe food as part of a comprehensive treatment plan. The psychological aspect of culinary medicine. Culinary medicine doesn't just nourish the body, but also the mind and soul. Preparing and enjoying a well-balanced meal can be a therapeutic and stress-relieving experience. Many find comfort and satisfaction in the act of cooking itself. It's a creative outlet, a way to unwind, and a form of self-expression. Sustainability and culinary medicine. Culinary medicine extends beyond personal health to the health of the planet. By focusing on whole foods and sustainable ingredients, it supports environmental conservation. Choosing locally sourced, seasonal produce and minimizing food waste aligns with the principles of culinary medicine, making it an eco-conscious approach to nutrition. Overcoming culinary barriers. It's important to acknowledge that not everyone has easy access to fresh, whole ingredients or the culinary skills to prepare these dishes. Culinary medicine aims to address these barriers. Community cooking classes, food education programs, and initiatives to improve food equity are all part of the broader mission to make culinary medicine accessible to all. The world of culinary medicine is clear that it's much more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle that combines history, tradition, science, and a passion for good food. It is a way of promoting not only physical health, but also mental and emotional well-being. It has the potential to reshape healthcare and improve our relationship with the environment. And there you have it, the world of culinary medicine, from its rich history to its delicious examples. We hope you are inspired to explore the healing power of food and incorporate it into your own life. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, your health is your wealth. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.